Hi, I'm Tina Goodyear, and I'm going to be teaching the Creative Writing Intensive, which is a level 3 workshop class. So, by the time that you're ready for a level 3 Creative Writing Intensive, you clearly have been doing more than just journaling or jotting down ideas. You've moved to a more structured format and to a committed practice. So, you understand the importance of audience, of having a reader, of being able to reach your reader. So, what better audience than a group of fellow Project Right Now writers? So, in this creative writing intensive, your role as writer is equally as important as your role of reader. The two are interchangeable, one supports the other. In the intensive, we're going to take turns writing and sharing our work, and take turns reading others' work and providing feedback. The key is we're going to focus on what's working in your writing rather than what's not working. And through our discussions, we're going to arrive at some insight about craft and about what it's like for a reader to experience our work. The best part is that there's no expert, there's no sage on the stage. We're all going to become experts about our own writing. We all have something to offer, and we all have something to learn. So, what better way than to come together to support each other in a workshop environment? So, I hope that you'll join me for the Creative Writing Intensive, and I really look forward to being your reader.